Operationalizing SLA enforcement, a practical guide for MSPs. A service level agreement should actively govern how your team works. It covers every ticket, every alert, and every configuration, making it an operational framework for your business. In this video, we'll walk through how to operationalize your SLA, transforming it from a static agreement into a system that clearly demonstrates value to your clients. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. How to operationalize an SLA. Step 1. Map SLA metrics directly into your PSA. Every SLA commitment must map directly to a measurable field or timer in your ticketing system. For example, a 1-hour response timer starts the moment a ticket is created. Resolution targets align with ticket status timers. Priority levels are driven by the client's SLA tier, not just technical severity. This is how your PSA shifts from a passive ticketing system into an active enforcement mechanism. Step 2. Document tiered SOPs. Next, create standard operating procedures aligned to your SLA tiers. You should have separate SOPs for basic support, premium support, 24/7, or critical response clients. Additionally, each SOP should clearly define expected response and resolution times, escalation paths, approved technician actions. Step 3. Train on impact-based prioritization. Your team must prioritize issues based on client impact and SLA commitments. A critical issue for a premium client must be handled ahead of the same issue for a standard client, even if the technical symptoms are identical. Step 4. Automate alerts and escalations. Your PSA should automatically alert a manager when a ticket is approaching breach, escalate unassigned tickets to backup queues, notify clients when tickets are acknowledged or updated, automate technical compliance with PowerShell and GPO. Operationalizing your SLA also means enforcing the technical standards that support it. This is where PowerShell and group policy come into play. Part 1. PowerShell. Use PowerShell scripts to continuously validate SLA-related system metrics. For example, here's a simple script to monitor disk space on the C: drive. This script checks available disk space and triggers an alert when it falls below the SLA-defined threshold. Note, while send mail message is still commonly used in legacy scripts, Microsoft recommends modern alternatives such as Microsoft Graph, SMTP relay services, or secure mail APIs for long-term automation. Next, use group policy to enforce baseline configurations promised in your SLA. Start by creating a new GPO, for example, MSP Workstation Baseline Compliance. Then, you can deploy the setting through Group Policy Registry Preferences or startup scripts. Here's an example PowerShell command that can be deployed through GPO. Once this GPO is linked to the organizational unit containing the client's workstations, the configuration is enforced automatically across all systems. What to do after automation? Step 1. Stop scope creep with a change control framework. Scope control protects margins and maintains report clarity. Follow these steps. Create a dedicated change request form. Route for manager approval. Convert approved requests into proposals or quotes. Log every amendment. Step 2. Keep SLAs relevant with lifecycle management. SLAs should evolve as clients and services change. Here are some best practices. Version-controlled storage in SharePoint or your PSA. Reviewing whether the SLA still aligns with business and operational needs during QBRs. Adjusting terms based on real delivery data. Tagging SLA status as active, under review, revised, or archived. Step 3. Prove value with SLA dashboards. Finally, make SLA performance visible. You'll need to track metrics like mean time to resolution, uptime, and resolution rates by priority. As for organization, you can color code your dashboard by using green for met SLAs, yellow for near breaches, and red for breached SLAs. When properly operationalized, your SLA becomes a control framework, a margin protection tool, and a measurable proof of value. For more information, check out our official blog post on operationalizing SLA enforcement for MSPs, linked in the description below.